Anytime we visited the village, my grandma would prepare yam and akidi for us. It was always delicious and I fell in love with the meal. When going back to the city, I would ask her to give me uncooked akidi so I could make it whenever I craved it. However, something bothered me. Despite following the method and processes I learned from her, my yam and akidi never came out as good as hers. I was determined to find out the secret. One day, it hit me. The difference wasn't in the ingredients or the technique, but in the cooking method. My grandma used firewood to cook her meals, while I was using a gas stove. That's when I realized that firewood allow food to cook naturally with a slow and gentle heat. On the other hand, gas and kerosene stoves apply pressure to the food, making it cook unnaturally. In fact, they cook the food so quickly that the ingredients barely have time to absorb into the meal before it's already done. It's just like in cultivation. Organic manure might not produce results as quickly as fertilizers, but it produces best results in the long run. The soil is nourished, the crops are healthier, and the environment is protected. Similarly, cooking with firewood might take a little longer, but the results are well worth it. The food is more flavorful, the textures are better, and the experience is more enjoyable. Our ancestors knew this secret. They cooked with firewood for centuries, and their food was always rich in flavor and nutrients. They didn't need gas stoves and kerosene burners to cook their meals, and as a result, they enjoyed better health, stronger communities, and deeper connection to nature. But today, with the widespread use of gas and kerosene stoves, we are seeing a different story. We are seeing increased rates of respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and other health issues linked to indoor air pollution. We are seeing communities being disconnected from their traditional ways of cooking and living, and we are seeing the environment suffer from the extraction, transportation, and burning of fossil fuels. And let's not forget the risk of fire explosions. Gas stove and kerosene burners are notorious for their ability to ignite and cause devastating fires. The risk of explosion is always lurking, waiting to strike when we least expect it. But with firewood, that risk is visually eliminated. However, it is also important to know that cooking with firewood can release carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas that can be deadly in enclosed spaces. To minimize these risks, it is crucial to cook with firewood in a well-ventilated area. I now make my food with firewood and I ensure I do that in a well-ventilated kitchen. The result has been nothing short of amazing. Have you ever eaten jollof rice cooked with firewood? Tell me what it tastes like.